ahwe form akwaba enche bebre ena 2023 wasi results no eba abonten na senior munim no eba abonten say ya na students no rush se obekwa akwa check na wahwe se wa fail ana se wa dinkunim na enumu ena senior high school maths teacher bi edi asem media ba betudwa o kire se ni student bi ana linear equation kro ntimi solve no yakoko checking results awa bo A1 e maths mo o se ye nwanwa pa mumma yenti enchire mu no. A worried SHS teacher has disclosed that a student who cannot solve a linear equation question had A in the 2023 WASSCE mathematics paper. This revelation was publicly made in a post by Mr. Kofi Asare, the executive director of EduWatch. In his public post made on Wednesday, 20th December 2023, he said, "Since the 2023 WASSCE results were released, I have received many messages to the effect that some students do not own their results. One teacher is worried his student who cannot solve a linear equation question had A in maths." Enti usha asemna we eye SHS teacher bi ena edia to the director of EduWatch anim eye Mr. Kofi Asare anim say results ni bi wo hono me ba uhwe kro obeka say nipa we ye ya je obi de ama no ebia ya je obi results de ama no because say the na nipa no say performing ultimu say be wa bon ba the results be ba bontine kama na ye nwanwa enti SHS teacher ni kire say ni student bia wa kire na linear equation na kire na sa bre akwa na hunda tase linear equation na wundimi solve ya topic ben e o maths mo ana say subtopic ben ena e o maths mo betima solve ana obetima ye but guess what results ne ba abonti o mun kwankwohwe abrante na abo A1 wo ana wundimi solve linear equation no wo ye de na e bo A1 and the teacher need the two eye EduWatch peninya nim na o kire say to be frank eye na nwanwa pa eye ni ohun bi da. Or say in EduWatch and Corruption Watches undercover WASSCE investigation of 2021, a guardian in the Bekwai area questioned why his nephew, who apparently had a grade 10, wouldn't proceed to the College of Education or University. The boy insisted on joining the army even after failing to make it at first instance. The boy's uncle doubted his grades. Later, after pushing him, he confessed that teachers wrote for them at their center. I still have the audio interview the Corruption Watch team had with the parents in Kokofu on my phone. Till date, I am aware the head teachers and teachers who supervised the cheating in those schools we did our undercover exercise are still at post. Schools, including the private ones, are still exam centers. A management in living teacher at St. Jerome SHS caught on video dictating answers in a big exam hall is now an assistant head in another school. Azema mu kan no omu kire se EduWatch for kire se omu hwehwe mu kire se ye friends exams ni sana e ya na corruption do so pa eno ni se teachers ni bi e kire nkwala no e bi kura dictate na teacher ni ba ko a na omu chi ni se omu chi ni wo video mu se o dictate ma WASSCE student ni bi no ende omukoko check ya assistant headmaster e wo school fufuro bi mu. How come? Ndi asema omukire ne say teachers ni bi anya omunyina teachers ni bi e ma nkwada na apo. Enti e bia sa akwada ne ennim hwe ontimi work linear equation na wa ba abonte abebo A1 na EduWatch for kire say omunhwehwe mu omaye no ada na edi say a teacher fo ne bi kire nkwala no. Was I also know of schools where the school heads were so firm at exam centers that the student even felt nervous. Some heads wouldn't compromise at all. Other heads were so principled, causing communities to demonstrate against them, leading to their eventual transfer for safety reasons. Example, Boglo Ridge SHS. I have this video too. While very good progress has been made to very significantly reduce, if not eliminate, question leakages with the BNI now taking over question scrutiny at printing, there are still serious issues with exam room collation and supervised cheating, as WAEC admits in their presentation to Parliament last week. Asemu. Notwithstanding, these challenges and deficit must not take the shine off the 2023 WASSCE results. These are always many genuine ones and some bad ones. He called on GES to strengthen its sanction on teachers who participate in exam center fraud. The Ghana Education Service must strengthen its sanctions regime for teachers who participate in the exam center fraud. The current sanctions regime is not deterrent. Outright dismissal is the way to go. Enti near every edu watch for honum ababe PM no. Enti se ushe headline na. Aze a student who cannot solve a linear equation question had A in mathematics. SHS teachers disclose. Eyasemu. Send your microphone here, but the better Debbie WAEC for the cameras be bought every corner in the school. Now, here read the comments. Richard said, those who are good are rather not passing. Now, the corruption has climbed the ladder into our blood. Our mothers to give us enough food, we will have to bribe our way through. It's pathetic. Alpha Bamba said, must you answer all questions before you get A1 in exams? And to your new business, as I answer questions in answer one A1 or in Sohre one. Mohammed Ibrahim says, sometimes when we talk about this, we are labeled as jealous people. We know there are very good students among them, but Joel Abochi said, those politicians who cannot win their awards and state are president and senators. Ena Obinso mewe ni pakro wedding. Walanyo Oscar said, very true. I know students who can't define an element with A in integrated science. Zachary said, when is coming is doing. Azaglo said, God is in control. Emmanuel Apiankra said, we won't talk. Let them tickle themselves and laugh. Achu Godfred said, the student got A through magical. Obi said, matters are rising. Cynthia said, bitter truth. Nana Kwaku said, yo, this is Ghana and the level we have reached. Mercy says, share the grace. Frank Crunchy said, I took my daughter to Ghana to stay for school. Brought her back and she was all behind and lacking in her academics. Kwame Asante said they were smart with options. They have solved questions they could not. Chinchina solve linear equations. And the comments are abandoned. Tesauti ya edu watch for any SHS students for say omuntiasie. Akwada bi oko SSR linear equation grow ntimi work no. At the end of the day, we bought A1 ewa mass. Eye no nwanwa. Eye wo nsu nwanwa anase enye nwanwa. Share wadwin or comment section. Medin the King Fantastic. Ghanaian Citizen TV suni.